Greetings, this is Rob, Chief Flight Instructor for VATSTAR.com, and this is a quick tutorial on how to install and set up Discord. Discord is a platform for group discussion via text or voice channels, and it's the primary method for students and instructors of VATSTAR to interact. For starters, open up discordapp.com or just put the word Discord into Google and it should take you right there. Download and install the app. Don't click Open Discord in the browser, as the browser app lacks a few of the key functions we'll need. It'll take a few moments to download, then open it up and run that. When you create your account, you can choose any username you like. It doesn't necessarily need to be your real name. We'll show you how to adjust your display name later on. For now, choose any username that reflects how you want to be seen in whatever other online gaming communities you might be a part of. Then there's one of these little tests to prove that you're not an automated script. Discord accounts are free, so they put these in to make sure no one can just create a script that will create 10,000 accounts in one click. Okay, this is the point where you'll join the VATSTAR Discord server. To do that, you'll need our invite link, which is on our website under Resources and Discord. The first time you join a server, Discord will have you verify your email account. That's for your Discord account, not for VATSTAR. You won't have to do that for every server you join, just the first one. But that just means going into the email account you signed up with and clicking the link they sent you. All good. Next, read through our rules channel. Ours are pretty straightforward. Just treat each other with respect and don't spam our channels with irrelevant advertising. One thing that comes from the VATSIM Code of Conduct is that you should use your real first and last name, just like you do on the network and should do on any VATSIM related website or other online service. In the upper left, by the server name, you have an option called Change Nickname, which only affects the way you are displayed on that server. Everywhere else, you'll still appear as the username that you created your account with, but now on this server, you'll appear with your first and last name as required. The last thing you'll need to do is set up your voice options. We strongly recommend using a push-to-talk button or key so you won't just constantly be transmitting your background noise over the channel. Join into a voice room and for our purposes just use public discussion. Then click on the gear icon at the bottom by your name for settings. Go to Voice and Video Settings. Under Input Device, select your microphone. Then switch the detection from Voice Activity to Push to Talk. Click Record Keybind to select which key or button to use. You can use a key combination, but my suggestion, keep it simple. A joystick button you aren't using works great, or the left or right control key make good options. Then go ahead and pick which output you want the sound to go to. You can test your push to talk, and you should hear these little tones to verify it's working. That's it. Welcome to VATSTAR. Please feel free to say hi and introduce yourself in our lobby channel and ask any questions you may have. We'll see you in the skies.